Jandy here with Jandy's Travels, and we are at Haws Creek Falls. I'm not sure exactly what we're going to find, but we're going to walk this way and find out. There's a nice little path. I hear some water, and maybe sometimes the water is up to here because we did get some rain last night, so yeah, there's a little bit of water. I was told that's a good little place to swim right there. And here's the waterfalls. We'd probably have to come in down that path that we started on first. Yeah, that's Haws Creek Falls. Not much water. Not as clean and pretty as where we were earlier today. Oh my gosh, Jackie,